Hello friends, my name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock a lock with the key if the key is not able to open your lock. This is a tiny lock that was not opening with the same key I locked with. So you can see sometimes I'm not able to open this lock with the same key. So let me show you how I open it. Now it's working, but sometimes it doesn't. So what you need to do basically, if your key, the same key, is not working, then you just pick a hammer like this, but before that you just drop in few drops of oil and leave it for a few hours if you have time. Otherwise simply go ahead and pick a hammer or something like this and just beat on this lock like this, okay, and then use the same key to open it. You see now it's not opening, so luckily I'm able to film this. So what you need to do basically, you can see it bends the key but doesn't open. What you need to do, go ahead and just press it and beat with anything. I have hammer, so just go ahead and let's see now. Let's see if it works. No, oh, it did work. So see, this is how you can unlock the lock with the same key if somehow it doesn't open it. This is one of the ways. There can be multiple ways, but this worked for me. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.